Hey, what's going on everybody? JP here with Wanted to Get Lost, and I'm doing a quick little maintenance upgrade to our RV for our front hood access. So as you can see, it's off-centered. So what I did was I figured out that one of my shocks is bad here, so I'm going to replace them. So I got these off of Amazon for, I think they were 12 bucks, $12.99. I'll put a link to it, but these are 50-pound struts each. So I'm just going to replace both of them, and for 13 bucks you get your 2 struts, and then it also comes with your mounting hardware, which I'm not going to need to use. All I'm going to have to do is pop both of them off and then snap these back on into place, and it should fix the issue. So these are, as I said, 50-pound struts, so 100 in total. It should be enough to hold this up. These are 10-inch long. That's what I measured for our 2008 Winnebago Sightseer, so they should fit. Let's hope. And that's about it. So we're just going to get these into position. Make sure they face the same direction. And basically what I have to do is pop the old ones off, and then these will just snap right onto the mounting ball. So let's go underneath and I'll show you how to take one off. Alright, so it's kind of dark under here, so I apologize, but here's the old strut, top, bottom. You can see the mounting spots. So we're going to leave that alone, and there's these metal clips. We got to release the clip that holds each ball, and then that'll allow it to come right off. So there's this little metal clip right here. That's it. And that pops right off. And we got that one off. Alright, so we're going to do the bottom first. I think this might be a little longer than 10 inches.
That's what she said.
Oh yeah, totally. That might not be good. It's almost a ½ inch more. Alright, well, I'm gonna see if I can make this work, because now this has now become a problem. Let me see, that might be, there we go, that might be the issue right there. Alright, there we go. All right, so what I figured out, this is, let me show you here. You can see how it was sloping. I did the good strut first. That caused this end to come down. This totally collapsed. So the angle was wrong. So when I pushed everything back up, it gave me the space I needed. So, and you can see it's actually holding very well. So I'm gonna do this side now. Sorry I'm blocking the camera, but there's no way to do this. Alright, so now I have the new strut. So, there we go. Alright, as you can see, nice little quick install upgrade. Not a lot of work. The only tool I needed was a flathead screwdriver just to be able to lift off this metal tab, and then the tab actually pops back in. So again, all I did was on the back here there's a channel. I just slipped that under, pop that tab out, that releases it enough, then you can get it off the ball head, and then it can snap back on. So if you ever have to get the new one off, it's very easy to get off. Yeah, so that's it. Hope you liked this video. If you did, hit the thumbs up, and I will see you on another RV video. Thanks for watching, everybody. Merry Christmas.